Hello readers, so yesterday we learned about paraphrasing chunks and putting them together into one main idea to determine that main idea for the text. Today I want to teach you about another thing that can help you understand and explain your text is to pay attention to the way the author organizes their ideas. We're going to look at a cause and effect structure, so why or what something happened in the story. We're going to think about keywords. We're going to look at signal words in our text, like if and then, since, consequently, reasons why, because, as a result, or this led to. Remember that cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened because of it. So this is our why, and the effect is what happened. So what happened as a result of the cause. It kind of reminds me of when I was young and my mom would tell me to clean my room or else I wouldn't get to go to the movies. So this shows that because I didn't clean my room, because I didn't clean my room, I didn't get to go to the movies. So blank caused blank to happen. This is one of the sentence stems that you're going to use in your assignment, but first I want to do one more cause and effect from our mentor text, Tax Dollars at Work. So I'm going to read a section, I'll fill it in, and then I'll show you what that sentence stem will look like for your assignment. So the example I'm going to use is from the transportation section of Tax Dollars at Work. It says, it is the state's government responsibility to maintain them so that people can travel and transport goods safely. This is talking about the highways, streets, bridges, and tunnels that connect communities. So it's the state government's responsibility to maintain them safely. So here I'm going to write the cause. So because of state government taxes, the streets, bridges, and tunnels are safe. I'm going to put safe to use, because if we didn't have the state government taxes, we wouldn't have the streets, bridges, and tunnels functioning the way they're supposed to. So now I'm going to use my sentence stem blank caused blank to happen here in the bottom so you can see what that looks like for your assignment. So here I have my sentence stem, state government taxes cause safe streets, bridges, and tunnels to happen. You are going to do the same thing. You are going to do the same thing in Schoology, and I have given you a couple other options to use as a sentence stem. So just pull a cause from any part of your mentor text and then write the effect of it. Good luck.